Hi guys, so here's the ignition pattern that I took off of that Eurovan that had the rough running cylinder. I had the sync probe in the wrong cylinder, so number 5 you can see here is the one that's actually supposed to be number 1, and you can see the firing line is much lower than the rest of them, and you can see the spark line declining. Both of those indicate, or as you can see, consistent falling spark line and low firing line point to a compression problem. So that was one of the reasons that I picked out number 1 cylinder, and you can see here the injector, the current ramp looks good, the firing line looks good, um, or the control of the injector. So that all led me to believe that there was a problem, a mechanical problem with that number 1 cylinder. Thanks for watching.